When you search for the best crash-tested helmets for cycling safety, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Findway Pro Bike Helmet. Let's talk about the Findway Pro Bike Helmet. Priced around $40, it caught my attention with its urban style and solid protection features. If you want a stylish helmet that doesn't compromise safety, this is worth a serious look. This helmet is designed for urban riders and fits head circumferences from 54 to 61.5 cm. Honestly, the 14 vents for airflow keep you cool even on long rides, and the removable washable pads make it easy to maintain. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want a helmet that not only protects but also keeps you comfortable during your ride. Now, some people complained about the sizing being a bit tricky, especially for those with larger heads. Here's the thing, though, if you're in the standard size range, it should fit fine. But if you fall outside that range, this might not be the best option for you. This is perfect for you if you're commuting or just riding around the city. Skip this one if you have a larger head size, as it might not fit comfortably. For around $40, it provides solid value and a stylish look. Now, if the sizing issue with the Findway helmet bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, NTGBV Bike Helmet. Next up is the NTGBV Bike Helmet, priced at $62.35. It caught my eye with its unique USB rechargeable rear light feature. If visibility is a concern for you, this helmet is definitely worth a look. What sets this helmet apart is its durability and safety certifications. It's built with an ABS shell and EPS foam that meets CPSC ASTM standards. The rechargeable LED light has 3 modes to keep you visible at night, which is crucial for safety. Plus, the adjustable fit means you can customize it for your comfort. Here's why this matters. You want to feel secure knowing that you'll be seen by others, especially when riding in low-light conditions. However, some users mentioned that the rear light's battery life could be better. Here's the thing, though, as long as you remember to charge it regularly, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. If you're someone who rides frequently at night, this feature is invaluable. This is perfect for you if you ride in urban areas at night. Skip this one if you mainly cycle during the day and don't need the extra visibility. For the price, you're getting a great blend of safety and functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for overall protection and comfort. Product number 3, Findway Urban Style Helmet. Moving on, we have another Findway helmet, this time priced at $44.26. It has a similar urban style but comes in a sleek titanium gray color. If you're looking for something that's stylish yet protective, this might catch your eye. Like the previous Findway helmet, this one also features an adjustable fit and a durable ABS shell with EPS foam interior for shock absorption. The 14 vents for airflow are a big plus for comfort during hot rides, and the removable pads make cleaning a breeze. Here's why this matters. You want a helmet that's comfortable enough for everyday use while still keeping you safe. On the downside, some users noted that the padding could feel a bit thin for longer rides. Here's the thing, though, as long as you're not doing marathon sessions, it should be fine for regular commutes. If you're a casual rider, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you enjoy city cycling or casual rides. Skip this one if you plan on long-distance biking, as you might want something with more padding. For under $45, it gives you good value and style. Now, if you're looking for cutting-edge safety technology, the next helmet will definitely impress you. Product number 4, Giro ISOD MIPS. Next up is the Giro ISOD MIPS, which comes in at about $101.11. What caught my attention here is the MIPS technology designed to enhance safety. If you're serious about crash protection, this helmet is worth considering. The MIPS technology redirects impact energy during a crash, which can significantly reduce the risk of serious head injuries. It also has a universal fit sizing feature, making it easy to get the right fit right out of the box. Here's why this matters for you. If safety is your top priority, this helmet offers advanced protection that you won't find in many others. However, a few users mentioned that it can feel a bit bulky compared to other helmets. Here's the thing, though, that bulkiness often comes with enhanced protection, so it's a trade-off. If you prioritize safety over aesthetics, this is an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for top-notch safety features. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and more streamlined. For just over $100, you get peace of mind while riding. Finally, if MIPS technology intrigued you, the last helmet on our list continues that trend but is designed for a younger audience. Product number 5, Giro Fixture II MIPS. Last but not least, we have the Giro Fixture II MIPS priced at $83.46. It's designed for a wider age range, making it a great family option. If you're looking for a helmet that can accommodate various users while still providing excellent safety, this one is a must-see. Similar to the ISOD, this helmet comes equipped with MIPS technology for added protection. The in-molding construction means it's rugged while remaining lightweight, which is essential for comfort during long rides. With 18 wind tunnel vents, you can be sure of great airflow. Here's why this matters. If you want a helmet that keeps everyone in the family safe while also being comfortable, this is a great choice. Some people have noted that the helmet doesn't come in as many color options as they'd like. Here's the thing, though, if you're not too picky about colors, the safety features more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you want a durable helmet for kids and adults alike. Skip this one if color variety is a deal breaker for you. At around $83, it offers solid protection without breaking the bank. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of helmets from stylish options like the Findway Pro to high-tech choices like the Giro ISOD MIPS. Each helmet has its strengths, from urban commuting to advanced safety features. The important thing is to choose one that fits your specific needs and riding style. Stay safe out there and happy cycling.